This is a 2005 Chevy Venture, and we're going to be replacing the turn signal bulb in here. So after opening the hood, there's a bolt here that you can take out. And now it's free on this side, and you have to remove the clip back here. If you just pull on it straight out, it should come out. And in order to remove the bulb, that's coming in here, press down on this tab and then push forward and it'll come right out. If you need to replace the bulb, just pull it out and put a new one in. We had to do a wire fix right there and put it back in. You put it in and make sure that the slots around the edge are lined up. Put it in and then just twist it back until this clicks into place. And then you put it back together the same way you took it apart. You just put this, making sure these fit in the holes there. And then this bolt goes through both of these. Now it's ready to drive again, and I hope you found this video useful. And if you did, please like and subscribe.